a big mouse?
What?
Why did you get a big mouse?
I don't know. Where did he come from?
I don't know.
Do you think he just showed up overnight?
Yeah.
Does he look familiar to you?
Yeah.
From where?
The car shop.
The car shop?
Yeah, remember that mouse sitting right by my cell?
Yeah.
The one that fell down on me?
Yeah. Is that him?
Yes.
What the heck? Go see him.
I had to go tell Tim and Daddy this.
Okay, go tell him.
But I'll tell Dad.
Okay.